Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can import preset into Photomator. So let's get straight into it. I'm right now in iPad, so I'm using iPad, so I will show you how you can do that on the iPad. So open a photo, tap any image to enter the editing mode. Now where to find the preset icon, you will see here down that this program here, it offers you some preset right here. Now if you scroll all the way to the end, you will see these three dots here. So if you press on it, and then you will see here import. So if you click on import, now what you can do is simply find where you have these presets, click on it, open it, and then you will see it somewhere right over here below in these presets already made. And that's how you can import the preset on Photomator uh, app. So I recommend you that you save preset here on iCloud, because you will find it pretty fast, pretty simple, and then you can just open it and you can use it. Now you can also import LUT. So as you can see down here, we have option LUT. So you can import that also. If you scroll down and then here you have here cinematic. You have one of them already in it, but you can here, if you press in the circle three dots, you can then choose LUT right here, and then the same thing as with the presets. I recommend you that you put in iCloud Drive. You will have it here, and then you just select it and open up, and that's it. You applied the LUT into your picture. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next